Comparing different revisions of files is an important aspect of managing your data, but without the correct tools, it's more difficult to find the information that you're looking for. Ensuring that we have all the correct data from physical changes to model properties as well. This information can be found across different 3D Experience apps, but how can we find all this crucial information all in one place? Thankfully, we have the Compare app. Let's learn more about it in this 2-minute tech tip. One method of finding information about our files is just by searching and looking at the file's properties. So when we find our file, we can select it and see the properties and maybe compare that to other files manually. Or we could use the 3D Play app to open each file up and see the physical changes. These are both valid ways to find information about your files, but we can expedite this process in a more clear and concise way by using the Compare app. By using the Compare tool, we can choose which two files we want to compare to each other. This can be different revisions of the same file, or we can compare two completely different files if needed. Files can be chosen by using the button to browse, or they can be dragged in from other apps such as the bookmark editor, collaborative lifecycle, SOLIDWORKS itself, and many more. When searching, we could also use these 6W tags as well to make finding our files a lot easier. Once we chose the two files that we want to compare, we can press Compare, and we are immediately met with the information about the structure or referenced files of the two revisions. We can see the properties as well as a 3D view with the two revisions overlaid on top of each other. Having all of this information in one view is valuable as it clearly shows the difference between the two revisions or files. The Compare tool can also be found in the Collaborative Lifecycle app as well. When opening a file in the Collaborative Lifecycle app, the Compare tool can be found in the bottom in the toolbar. You can choose whichever revision you'd like to compare, and it will launch the Compare tool with that revision loaded, and again, you can choose whichever file you'd like to compare that to. Using the Compare tool is useful when comparing different files or revisions to each other, so it is clearly visible what has changed both physically and the metadata about the files. The Compare tool makes it easy to see all of your changes in one clear environment. If you're interested in additional information about data management inside of the 3D Experience platform, check out our 3D Experience Data Management course, where you will find more information about creating and managing revisions of files. Thanks for watching.